Hello and welcome to E-Trailers. Here we are at the Extreme stand at the Southampton 2022 Boat Show, where they've got a fantastic display of trailers. There's 16 trailers here in total, with some of the new additional stock which is now available. For example, this one here is a 750 Super Roller. There's always a choice of colours for the rollers, but it now comes with the super wide wheel alloy version as well. Looks absolutely fantastic. Sorry about any background noise. It's uncontrollable, I'm afraid. There's a double jet ski trailer there with an array of different colour rollers, the greens and the reds. Here are some of the supersized 3.5 ton on the bottom trailer, 2400, 2600 kilo trailers. Really nice stand that the guys have put together here. And there's another addition, brand new addition, is the extreme powder coated trailer for jet skis and small ribs with the nice alloys on it. And there's a range of the roller banks with alloy wing brackets and different colour rollers. They come in 2 metre, 2.5 metre and a 3 metre version. That's the Extreme stand at the Southampton Boat Show 2022 here with E-Trailers. Thank you for watching.